So there's free breakfast on campus. They have free water, coffee, fruit, granola bars, and an egg. I'm not in the mood for an egg. I could have added it to my chicken bowl, get some more protein, but I wasn't really in the mood for it right now. I didn't know that because I've been coming to campus for a long time, and they said they've been doing it for a couple months. It's crazy, free breakfast, man. So now I know if I have to work in the afternoon, mid shift, or late night, I'm just gonna come here and get free breakfast.